a new and amazing source of energy, clean and reduces global warming. Energy consumption is a basic indicator in determining the identity and level of any civilization according to the concepts of the Kardashev scale, as the energy consumed is directly proportional to the requirements of technology that reflects the extent of technical progress achieved by civilization. With the rapid growth of human civilization today, energy consumption has reached extreme levels, accompanied by the emergence of the global warming crisis. Humanity's reliance on fossil fuels in generating energy during the past decades was mostly on fossil fuels, which is the primary cause of harmful emissions and greenhouse gases. Earlier, the Paris Agreement came in 2015, in which 195 countries pledged to avoid an increase in the average temperature of the planet and not exceed the threshold of 1.5 degrees Celsius by the end of the current century. This means relying on sustainable renewable energy sources such as solar energy, wind energy, hydropower, etc., which are environmentally friendly because they reduce harmful emissions. However, achieving the 2050 goal does not seem realistic given the huge consumption that sustainable energy sources cannot cover in their current form. In the midst of this, a group of scientists have made a pioneering discovery of a renewable energy source that produces energy by using micro-photovoltaic cells that rely on the process of photosynthesis, and may be one of the anticipated solutions that will change the form of energy production in the future. Scientists have used the process of photosynthesis to create micro-photovoltaic cells that harness algae to generate energy. Photosynthesis to produce electricity. A research team from Concordia University in Canada has used the process of photosynthesis to create micro-photovoltaic cells that harness algae to generate energy. These cells capture the electrons resulting from photosynthesis and convert them into a direct electric current. The technology explored is not only useful for generating energy but also simultaneously absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, a harmful gas produced by burning fossil fuels. The researchers also found that the only byproduct of this process is water, indicating that the technology is completely environmentally friendly. The goal is for the micro-photovoltaic cells to capture electrons generated during photosynthesis, explained co-author Kirankumar Kuruvinashitty. These cells consist of stacked chambers separated by a special membrane, one part of which contains algae, while the other part contains the chemical compound potassium ferricyanide. When photosynthesis occurs, the thin membrane captures the resulting electrons, generating an electrical current. Although algae-based power cells generate less electricity than traditional solar panels, there is a great potential for these cells to be more efficient and capable in the future. Moreover, their production is cheaper and simpler because they do not require complex and hazardous materials as in solar cells made of crystalline silicon. It is a new technology for generating electricity through the process of photosynthesis, and is designed for low-consumption applications on the milliwatt scale. It can produce electricity in bright and dim environments alike using algae and sunlight. These cells can operate precise sensors to monitor the weather in remote locations and provide power to sensors in wireless sensor networks. If higher power levels are required, several cells can be combined together in parallel or series arrangements, and this method has been proven in laboratories to generate higher power compared to individual cells.